The first DSLR camera by Canon is our best of the best pick. Here are the pros. A wide array of professional-grade features. Exceptional image quality. Here are the cons. No built-in flash. Complex operation may be difficult for amateurs to navigate. Expensive, but you get what you pay for. The best reviews. Bottom line. Designed for advanced photographers, this exquisite camera offers everything the professional would need. The best on the market. We rated this Canon DSLR camera as our best value pick. Here are the pros. Fantastic image quality. User-friendly features. Can change lenses/settings. Very versatile. Affordable price. Here are the cons. No built-in Wi-Fi capabilities. Some features lag behind its competitors. The best reviews. Bottom line. Ideal for beginning photographers and those new to DSLR, this user-friendly camera is the best budget model available. The next DSLR camera by Nikon is our third top pick. Here are the pros. Full-frame 24.3 MP camera. Advantageous auto mode. Professional image quality. Shoots well in low light. Lots of features. Here are the cons. A complex camera with a steep learning curve for beginners. Some report lens flare issues but free corrective maintenance available. The best reviews. Bottom line. With plenty of professional-grade features, this mid-priced camera is more suitable for pros than novices. We rank this Nikon DSLR camera as our fourth top pick. Here are the pros. Live view allows for DSLR video recording. Impressive image quality. Simple and easy to navigate. App combo allow it to serve as an external monitor. Good autofocus and ergonomic design. Here are the cons. The app is weak. Doesn't perform as well in low light as its competitors. The best reviews. Bottom line. An intermediate level camera with a quality that exceeds most budget-priced DSLRs. This DSLR camera by Pentax is our final top pick. Here are the pros. 24 MP sensor. Pristine image quality. Helpful shake reduction feature reduces blur. Lots of features for a mid-level camera. Robust weatherproofing. Impressively wide range. Here are the cons. Video quality is not on par with competitors. Longer start and shoot speed. No Wi-Fi but can buy a memory card to enable it. Novice users may have difficulty learning how to use it. The best reviews. Bottom line. A lower priced DSLR for mid-level photographers.